Friends, welcome back to the new video, guys. Today, guys, we are going to talk about guys phone sleep time setting in a Tecno phone, guys. How can you use and guys how can you change guys your phone sleep time in your Tecno phone? In this video, friends, I am going to show you, friends. So, guys, how can you change guys your phone sleep time? So, first of all, guys, you will have to on guys your phone setting to change your phone sleep time. Then, guys, scroll it, and friends, you can see this type of setting, friends. So, guys, click on guys your display setting. So, friend, display and brightness and guys scroll it. So once you can choose screen timeout, guys, so you can change guys your phone sleep time from here. So example for guys, I will show you guys 15-second phone sleep time setting, guys. So guys, how can you use it? So you can say I will not touch anywhere on my screen, so guys your my phone screen will sleep after 15 seconds, guys. One, wait and watch. So you can see guys going die and off. So you can see guys my phone sleep within 15 seconds. So like that, guys, you can change your phone sleep time according to yourself. So I hope friends you have understood. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video, friends. We will meet on next video. Bye bye, friends.